Why do 80% of VR gamers love custom gear? Because it makes the experience so much more immersive. First, gather your materials: PVC pipes, 3D printed controller mounts, neodymium magnets, screws, and PVC cement. Optional: a sling, paint, and padding for a personalized touch. Step 1. Design your gun stock. Lay out your PVC pipes to match your preferred rifle shape. Don't forget to plan how the controllers will attach with the magnets. Step 2. Cut the PVC pipes to size. Use a hairdryer to gently mold any pieces if needed, but be careful not to damage your controllers. Step 3. Screw the neodymium magnets into the PVC end caps and attach the matching magnets to the controller mounts. Make sure they align perfectly. Step 4. Assemble the PVC frame and test the alignment in a VR game. Once satisfied, glue it all together with PVC cement. Optional: add a sling, paint, or padding for extra comfort and style. There you have it, a custom magnetic VR gun stock for your MetaQuest 3.